What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a quick updo on my braid out. I kind of wanted to switch things up a little bit. I've been rocking my hair down for the past week and I am ready for a change, kind of, sort of. So the first thing I'm going to do, I already part right here, which I didn't really need to do, but just go ahead and you don't even need a comb. Just use your hands and separate. The back, bring it all the way out. Okay, now once it's all the way to the top, I'm going to use my string and secure it. So now that we have this up, fix edge control. So I'm going to take my hand and bend this forward, and then I'm going to take this piece and bring it across here. Once I bring it across, I'm going to secure it with a bobbin pin. And then after that's done, I'm going to take this next side. I need some more hairpins. Okay, so I'm ready for this side. This side, I'm gonna take a little edge cut. Okay, and then I'm going to bring this around and do the same thing.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
Okay, and there you have it, a cute little natural hair pin-up updo. Depending on where you're going, you change up the earrings, change up the outfit, and this could actually be a really glam look. Just sleek down this side a little bit more, but I kind of wanted it to be messy and I didn't want to use gel or snap, so yeah. Tell me what you think. Oh, another quick hairstyle you can do is 2 big jumbo braids, crisscross them on the top.
No, I don't want no rest.
So something like this. This is a cute little updo or whatever. And that's it. Really short, really quick video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.